Welcome to Summit, Indoors Positioning System. We are an internal location software platform which allows users or visitors to hospital complex, office complex, or large shopping centers to be located within the physical plant. The Summit platform allows the administration of this large complex to control the location of assets, personnel, or visits by obtaining in real time detailed information and control to their locations. To be able to perform these functions, Summit uses beacons that provide the information and ubication of the asset or person, with gateways within a reach of 40 square meters each. Summit also introduces the use of beacon cards and beacon bracelet devices to allow people to be tracked within the organization's facilities. Summit Gateway, real-time of the monitor areas, location control in real time, beacon reading, and install every 40 meters for granted precision. The gateway collects all the information from the beacons and sends it to the server. This information can be locations, alerts, or routes, in addition to the information of the monitor element. Summit Web. In the homepage of Summit Web, you can find the graphics with general data of the alerts about assets and people. You can monitor people by selecting the person, and the system shows you how much that person has spent there and a record of the places where they have been. In this section, you can modify personal information, symptoms, and observations about a person. You can also magnify the map, and you can make a detailed check to the people within the facilities. You can also have control of the ubication of the assets and where are they located. Tracks people location, timing that ubication, and a time alert. Select Monitor to view the alert in detail and start solving it. Tracks assets locations, timing that ubication, and a time alert. Select Monitor to view the alert in detail and start solving it. Summit Way COVID-19 application. This is our app. First, you need to log in with your ID. Then choose the service which you need. It easily assigns you a new ticket. Select how is your health at this time. If you choose bad, you can select the signs and symptoms on the next screen. Select the symptoms as start date and which ones you are feeling. The report is ready. Now, there will be a follow-up according to the information provided. Now you have a ticket in the pharmacy's queue. It shows you your ticket number and lets you know how many people before your turn. By pressing this icon on the screen, it will indicate the route to the pharmacy department. The app notifies you when your turn is coming up. It also indicates you when is your turn. In Home, you can search for a location inside the building. Summit app will indicate you how to move from point A to point B. Summit also shows you the correct route for people with disabilities. Finally, Summit allows you to show corporate messages